Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. So today we are going to learn about the interfaces in Typescript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In TypeScript, interfaces are the powerful tool for defining the structure and the shape of the object, ensuring that the object adhere to a specific contract. They are used to define the custom data types, allowing you to specify the properties and the methods that an object must have. Okay, so first part, how to define an interface. Okay, so to define the interface, you have a keyword interface. Okay, and you have to define the object and their data type. So first name has a string, last name has a string, and the age has a number. Okay, this is the how to define the interface. So basically, interface do the type checking. If you are just like you are adding the first name or you are mentioning the number, so it will throw the error. Okay, in the TypeScript. So type checking with the help of interface is strictly adhere to it. Okay, this is an example. So create an object that adheres to the interface. So here we are with how to assess this one interface part. So const person, and we are using this interface and we are passing the values. Okay, after passing the values we can assess the properties with the help of the person dot first name, person dot last name, and person dot age. So you can assess these properties. So defining the interface like this. So whatever it should be a customer, it should be a user, it should be a product. So you can define in that way. So how to implement that one with the help of this one, and here you can send your details over here. So this is implementing a an interface. Okay. So any optional parameters I will discuss in the next one. Okay. So this is how we are able to create an interface, define an interface, and how to implement an interface. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. We have a full series of the interface also, which we discuss later on. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.